just built this mobile one. It's really cool, and we're just about to show it to you. Let me just say a few things about this one. It has one loop, 2 jumps, and it goes down 1 slide. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go. Oh, I got it.